Now, Jeffy, since you've been such a bad boy, you have to write on the board, I would be a good boy 10,000 times. 10,000 times? I can't even count that hard. Then you will write until your hand breaks. Well, then just break my hand and not write it? No, you can't break your hand. Daddy, I'm the hammer. Well, Jeffy, just do what she says. Fine, Daddy. You don't think you'll be able to too mean to him? Listen, I am the nanny. You are the bad parent. You hired me to fix your child, and that is exactly what I am doing. But you can't do it like a nicer way. We could have done things the easy way, but he chose the hard way. I know, but he's still just a kid, and he needs to be, treated like a little kid, because, he has a lot of growing up to do. Your son is the worst case I have ever seen. It may take many hours, but I promise you, I will break him, and he will behave. Okay, I guess I'll believe you. I'm done. Oh my goodness! Lick my butthole! I will do no such thing, young man. There will be no licking of buttholes today.